Today I'm going to show you how to add text animations in CapCut. So we're going to add some text animations here. So you can go up to the top over here. You'll see a bunch of options. Click on text. And here we're going to just add in a default text box. Okay. And here on the right hand side, you can click on animation. And in animation, you will be able to choose how it animates on and off, as well as a loop on your video. So for example, we are going to do this one here because that looks pretty cool. You can see also, once you've chosen it, the duration you can set. So I'm going to set this up really long so it comes on really slow. You see what that looks like? That looks amazing. So that's how you ultimately animate your text. You can do the same with it going out. And then if you wanted a loop, let's just say we want it on fire. So let's choose the fire here, and on the in, we are going to just remove it. Okay, and now you can just change the actual speed. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you slow that speed down, that's what it'll look like. If you increase that speed, that's what it'll look like. There we go. We've got animated text.